Welcome. In this video I will show you how to lock applications on your LG Smart TV. First of all, open the settings menu on the home screen by selecting the gear icon. Then select the gear icon once again to open all settings menu. And before we start locking applications, you're gonna have to get to know your default PIN code for parental controls or for safety, as it's called on LG TVs. Now, most probably your default password is either 4 zeros or 1234 if you are in if you selected Belgium, France or Norway as a country. But that's just for my TV and for many others TV. Maybe for you it will, this data will be different. So let's just see where we can find the actual default PIN code for our safety. So in settings, first go to support. In support, select user guide, and in user guide we're gonna have to navigate down to settings. Then in settings menu, navigate to system, which is at the bottom almost. Then in system, select safety. And in safety, we're gonna have to find the reset password information right here. And here you can find your default password, the default one for your TV. In my case, it's 4 zeros unless France, Norway or Belgium is selected for country. In this case, it's 1234. So once we know that for sure, let's go back to settings. Let's open settings once again, and now to start locking applications, and to lock applications generally, let's go to general option in settings. Now navigate down to system, and in system select safety. And then switch the toggle to the right next to enable the function by pressing OK button on your remote control. Then enter the default password. For me it's 4 zeros. Then click OK to confirm. And now select application locks. And now select the applications or the application that you want to lock. You can navigate here using up and down arrow keys, of course. Press OK button to select the application that you want to lock. So for example, let's lock the Sweet TV application. And as you can see, the lock icon appears in the top right corner of the locked apps. You can also lock or unlock all applications by selecting the first option on this list. Now let's see what happens when we try to access the locked application. So let's go to the app list, select our locked application, and right now the TV will ask us to provide the PIN code before we try to access this application. So now let's enter the PIN code. Okay, and right now we can start using this application. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.